How's it going, YouTube? Welcome to part 15 the Intro to GUI in Java series. Today we're going to be talking about JMenuBars. Alright, let's get straight to the code. Menu bars can be found in many programs. They can be found, for example, in Notepad or in the IDE I'm using right now. For today's example, we're going to be changing the window color based on what gaming console you like to play the most. First, we need to import three components to make our JMenuBar fully functional. First, we say import javax.swing.jmenubar, import javax.swing.jmenu, and import javax.swing.jmenuItem. For our data fields, we're going to have our JMenuBar. Then we're going to have three JMenus, which represents one for Sony, two for Microsoft, and third for Nintendo. So JMenu, Sony menu, JMenu, Microsoft menu, JMenu, Nintendo menu. For our Sony menu, we're going to have two menu items. So JMenu item, Sony item 1, JMenu item, Sony item 2. For our Microsoft menu, we're only going to have one. So JMenu item, Microsoft item. And for our Nintendo, it's going to have two items. So JMenu item, Nintendo item 1, Nintendo item 2. In our constructor, we need to initialize our JMenuBar. So menubar is equal to new JMenuBar. Then instead of having our panel or our JFrame use a add method to add our JMenuBar, we're going to say this, which refers to our JFrame, set JMenuBar menubar. Next, for our Sony menu, we're going to say Sony menu is equal to new JMenu Sony. Next, we're going to add our first Sony item. So Sony item 1 is equal to new JMenu item. Our title is going to be PlayStation. Then we're going to add an image. So new image icon, src, ps1.png. Then we're going to add our menu item to our menu. So Sony menu.add Sony item 1. The same goes for our second Sony item. So Sony item 2 is equal to new JMenu item. This time we're going to have PlayStation 2, new image icon, src, ps2-logo.png. Then we're going to add it to our Sony menu. So Sony menu.add Sony item 2. And lastly, for our Sony menu, we're going to add it to our JMenuBar. So menubar.add Sony menu. Repeat the same thing for our Microsoft menu. And the same goes for Nintendo. For the final part of our tutorial, we're going to add action to our JMenu items. So in our action perform method, we're going to say if they choose a Sony item, the background of our window is blue. If they choose Microsoft, the background will be green. If they pick Game Boy Advance, the background will be purple. And if they pick Nintendo Switch, the background will be red. So back in our constructor, we're going to say Sony item 1.add action listener. This second item, add action listener. Microsoft item, add action listener. And for our first and second items in our Nintendo menu. So when we run our program, our background is white. We have a label controller, and then we have our label gaming companies. So we go to Sony and we pick PlayStation, our background is blue. If we pick Microsoft, our background's green. If we pick Game Boy Advance under Nintendo, our background's purple. And if we pick Nintendo Switch under Nintendo, our background is red. So those are the basics of JMenuBars in Java. If you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. All right, thank you for watching.